Since ancient times, herbs have been used as a natural treatment for various illnesses, including viral infections. Due to their concentration of potent plant compounds, many herbs help to fight viruses, and they're favored by practitioners of natural medicine. Oregano is a popular herb in the mint family, and it's known for its impressive medicinal qualities. Its plant compounds, which include carvacrol, offer antiviral properties. In a test tube study, both oregano oil and isolated carvacrol reduced the activity of marine norovirus with 15 minutes of exposure. This virus is highly contagious and the primary cause of stomach flu in humans. It's very similar to the human norovirus, and it's used in scientific studies because human norovirus is notoriously difficult to grow in lab settings. The oregano oil and the carvacrol have also been shown to exhibit antiviral activity against herpes simplex virus type 1, rotavirus, a common cause of diarrhea in infants and children, and respiratory syntactical virus, which can cause respiratory infections. Also a member of the mint family, sage is an aromatic herb, and it's got a long history of use in traditional medicine for treating viral infections. The antiviral properties of sage are mostly attributed to the compounds safakinolide and sageone. These are found in the leaves and the stem of the plant. Test tube research indicates the herb can fight human immunodeficiency virus type 1, or HIV-1, which can lead to AIDS. In one study, the sage extract significantly inhibited the HIV activity by preventing the virus from entering the target cells. Sage has also been shown to combat the HSV-1 and Indiana vesicolo virus, which infects farm animals like horses, cows, and pigs. Many types of basil, including sweet and holy varieties, can fight certain viral infections. For example, one test tube study found sweet basil extract, including compounds like apigenin and ursolic acid, exhibited potent effects against herpes viruses, hepatitis B, and enterovirus. Holy basil, known as tulsi, has been shown to increase immunity, which can help to fight viral infections. In a 4-week study in 24 healthy adults, supplementing with 300 milligrams of holy basil extract significantly increased the level of helper T cells and natural killer cells, both of which are immune cells that help to protect and defend your body from viral infections. Fennel is a licorice-flavored plant, and it can help fight certain viruses. A test tube study has shown fennel extract exhibited strong antiviral effects against herpes virus and parainfluenza virus type 3, and these cause respiratory infections in cattle. What's more, trans-anatole, the main component of the fennel essential oil, has demonstrated powerful antiviral effects against herpes viruses. According to animal research, the fennel can also boost your immune system and decrease inflammation, which may likewise help to combat viral infections. Garlic is a popular natural remedy for a wide array of conditions, including viral infections. In a study in 23 adults with warts caused by the HPV virus, applying garlic extract to the affected areas twice a day eliminated the warts in all of them after 1 to 2 weeks. Additionally, older test tube studies note that garlic has antiviral activity against influenza A and B, HIV, HSV-1, viral pneumonia, and rhinovirus. Lemon balm is a lemony plant, and it's commonly used in teas and as a seasoning. It's also celebrated for its medicinal qualities. The lemon balm extract is a concentrated source of potent essential oils and plant compounds that have antiviral activity. Test tube research has shown it has antiviral effects against avian influenza or bird flu, herpes viruses, HIV-1, and enterovirus. Peppermint is known to have powerful antiviral qualities, and it's commonly added to teas, extracts, and tinctures. The leaves and the essential oils contain the active components, including menthol and rosmarinic acid, which have antiviral and anti-inflammatory activity. In a test tube study, peppermint leaf extract exhibited potent antiviral activity against respiratory syntactical virus, and it significantly decreased the levels of inflammatory compounds. Rosemary is frequently used in cooking, but likewise it has therapeutic applications due to numerous plant compounds, including olanoic acid. This has displayed antiviral activity against herpes viruses, HIV, influenza, and hepatitis in animal and test tube studies. Plus, rosemary extract has demonstrated antiviral effects against herpes viruses and hepatitis A, which can affect the liver. Echinacea is one of the most popular used ingredients in herbal medicines due to its impressive health-promoting properties. Many parts of the plant, including its flowers, leaves, and roots, are used for natural remedies. In fact, Echinacea purpurea, a variety that produces the cone-shaped flowers, was used by Native Americans to treat a wide array of conditions, including viral infections. Several test tube studies suggest certain varieties of Echinacea, including Echinacea pallida, Echinacea augustifolia, and Echinacea purpurea, are particularly effective at fighting viral infections like herpes and influenza. Sambucus is a family of plants also called elder. Elderberries are made into a variety of products, such as elixirs and pills. They're used to naturally treat viral infections like the flu and the common cold. A study in mice determined concentrated elderberry juice suppressed influenza virus replication, and it stimulated the immune system's response. What's more, in a review of 4 studies on 180 people, elderberry supplements were found to substantially reduce upper respiratory symptoms caused by viral infections. Licorice has been used in traditional Chinese medicine and other natural practices for centuries. Glycyrrhizin and other active substances in the licorice have powerful antiviral properties. Test tube studies demonstrate the licorice extract is effective against HIV, RSV, herpes viruses, and severe acute respiratory syndrome related coronavirus. Astragalus is a flowering herb popular in traditional Chinese medicine. It boasts the Astragalus polysaccharides, which have significant immune-enhancing and antiviral qualities. Test tube and animal studies show the Astragalus combats herpes viruses, hepatitis C, and avian influenza virus. Plus, test tube studies suggest that the polysaccharide can protect the human astrocyte cells, the most abundant type of cell in the central nervous system, from infection with herpes. Ginger products like elixirs, teas, and lozenges are popular natural remedies, and for a good reason. The ginger has been shown to have impressive antiviral activity thanks to its high concentration of potent plant compounds. Test tube research demonstrates the ginger extract has antiviral effects against avian influenza, RSV, and feline calcivirus, which is comparable to the human norovirus. Additionally, specific compounds in the ginger, such as gingerol and zingerone, have been found to inhibit viral replication and to prevent viruses from entering the host cells. Ginseng, which can be found in Korean and American varieties, is the root of the plant in the Panax family. It's been long used in traditional Chinese medicine, and it's shown to be particularly effective for fighting viruses. In animal and test tube studies, Korean red ginseng extract exhibited significant effects against HSV, herpes viruses, and hepatitis A. Plus, compounds in ginseng called ginsenosides have antiviral effects against hepatitis B, norovirus, and coxsackie which are associated with several serious diseases, including an infection of the brain called meningoencephalitis. Dandelions are widely regarded as a weed, but they've been studied for multiple medicinal properties, including their potential antiviral effects. Test tube research indicates that dandelions can combat hepatitis B, HIV, and influenza. Moreover, one test tube study noted dandelion extract inhibited the replication of dengue, a mosquito-borne virus that causes dengue fever. The disease can be fatal, and it triggers symptoms like high fever, vomiting, and muscle pain. Herbs have been used as natural remedies since ancient times. Common kitchen herbs such as basil, sage, and oregano, as well as lesser-known herbs like Astragalus and Sambucus, have powerful antiviral effects against numerous viruses that cause infections to humans. It's easy to add these powerful herbs to your diet by using them in your favorite recipes or making them into teas. For more on herbs, supplements, and natural treatment plans, check out my website.